Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you go into the options from here, you will not find any option to change the audio language. So from the main menu, you can either start a new game or load your existing one. Once the game is loaded, from the game mode selection, go into the option mode. Then within the options page, you can go into sound settings. And now within the voice settings menu, you can choose either English or Japanese. Choose your desired language and press the back button. And make sure to save your changes if you see the prompt. Once your changes are saved, you can continue to play your game with your chosen audio language right away. And you can go back to this menu at any point of time in order to change it once again in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game audio language on the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.